Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to stop getting gravel all over the rocker of your GT350. The 2015 through 2020 GT350 is track ready right out of the box. And the modern 350s even come with a Sport Cup 2 tire, which is extremely sticky, one of the stickiest street tires you can get. Now, one of the negatives of that much traction is they tend to kick up gravel. One of the areas in the GT350 where it definitely just to cruise as you drive is going to be right here on the rocker. So today we're going to show you a new product from CPC that'll eliminate that problem and still give it an OEM finish. What you see here in the rocker and even up in the fender area, this was a 3-mile ride to work with these tires. I mean, they're so sticky, they pick up everything on the road and they deposit there right there on the rockers. The CPC piece is going to fit basically right in front there and block it, but again, still give it an OEM look. The installation is easy to do. All you want to do is turn the wheel to the side so you can see these 3 push pins, and we'll start by removing these. Now here's the 3 push pins that we removed. We're actually going to toss these aside, but we're going to keep the small one. That one does get reused. Now these are not really side specific because they're reversible, so you can decide which side you want where. You want to have this one on the driver's side. This would be the visible texture part, and then it's going to be smooth on the back. Or you can grab the other one if you wanted, and that way the area in the wheel well is going to be smooth, and the texture would be on the outside. We'll show a little bit of love to the manufacturer here. We're going to put the textured side inside our wheel well. What you want to do is line it up with the hole so you get a feel for where it's going to go, and then kind of hold your finger on the back because there will be double stick tape on the edge that will help hold it in place. And pull the backing off, basically just leave enough that you can reach it here. So then we can actually pull the tape off and push it into place. Put the new supplied clips here in the bottom. Factory clip in the top. Line them all up, press them into place. Pull our tape off. Now basically once the clips are in place, you're going to push down on the plastic to seat the double stick and your installation is finished. California Pony Car splash shields are easy to install. Not only going to keep rocks from accruing on the rocker, it's going to stop rocks from kicking up, which can damage the panel and our quarter panel as well. And the design of them, it matches the factory ones. The factory has rear splash shields, but for some reason they never put them on the front. So this kind of finishes off that look and looks OEM when installed. The installation should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes and be back on the road in no time.